Hey viewers, what's up? This is Sajidz Hassan. You guys watching Sajid's Take. Here in this video, we will talk about the Google AR system. And here, this AR service I like so much because they have everything looks like real. And they have, you just see the placement of this. Here, it just placed everything okay. And here, how you can also take like this type of animals in your real picture or in your space. In this video we will talk. So this is Sajidz Hassan, you guys watching Sajid's Take. Before just starting this video, there are a bit request from me. If you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with you. Okay guys, we are here in our mobile phone. Now we will talk. So first of all, you need to open up a browser in your mobile phone. It may be Google Chrome, and here you need to search the tiger. And here if you want to take it as a dog, that time you can also. So here you need to search here like dog, and here from you will get this. If you want to get other animals, that time you can. And here from, whenever you just select that animal, that time here you need to go to on this, and now click on this view in 3D from here, and here guys it will be loaded. But in your mobile phone, if it's not work, that time try it for 1 to 3 times so that it will, because sometimes your mobile phone space will be junk, that time it will not work. So after just going to there, you need to click on this view in your space, and here guys it will take a load and find out the specific space where it can. And here guys you can see that everything is come, and from here now you can increase or decrease it. The best thing is that here it's in the steady mode. If you move up your mobile phone, that time it will not move, but in the other, whenever you move up your mobile phone, that time it will move. Now from here you can also rotate it as you wish. So here from you can also do it. So, and here you can also place it as you wish. Now you can do it. So I hope guys you understand. And now if you want to take a snapshot of this, that time just click on this, it will be take a snapshot. And if you want to record it, that time just hold on it, it will be record a video. And here if you just click on this 3D, that time it will be take here. So here's guys, this is the thing. Okay guys, after just reviewing this app and teach about this app, what's about you guys? What do you think? Can you do it by your mobile phone? If it the time, I request you, please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends so that your friend also get this information and he can also do this. And guys, if you can, that time I request you, please subscribe my channel. So no more today guys, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.